Theta value equivalent to 12.0074 rands a coin. The present cost range: 11.9175, 12.3185. The earlier day close: 12.1615. The change was 0.1541, 1.27%. Backwards rate: ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost 12.06 rands, high 12.90, low 11.22. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 12.06 rands, high 12.90, low 11.22. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 11.95 rands, high 12.79, low 11.11. Theta conjecture on Thursday, October 12. Cost 12.01 rands, high 12.85, low 11.17. Theta cost expectation on Friday, October 13. Cost 11.43 rands, high 12.23, low 10.63. In multi-week Theta estimate on Monday, October 16. Cost 11.78 rands, high 12.60, low 10.96. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 11.67 rands, high 12.49, low 10.85. Theta estimate on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 11.74 rands, high 12.56, low 10.92. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, October 19. Cost 12.18 rands, high 13.03, low 11.33. Theta estimate on Friday, October 20. Cost 12.08 rands, high 12.93, low 11.23. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, October 23. Cost 12.03 rands, high 12.87, low 11.19. Theta estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 12.31 rands, high 13.17, low 11.45. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 11.88 rands, high 12.71, low 11.05. Theta estimate on Thursday, October 26. Cost 12.69 rands, high 13.58, low 11.80. Theta cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost 12.90 rands, high 13.80, low 12.00. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, October 30. Cost 12.76 rands, high 13.65, low 11.87. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, October 31. Cost 12.57 rands, high 13.45, low 11.69. Theta figure on Wednesday, November 1. Cost 12.72 rands, high 13.61, low 11.83. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost 12.80 rands, high 13.70, low 11.90. Theta figure on Friday, November 3. Cost 12.26 rands, high 13.12, low 11.40. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost 12.29 rands, high 13.15, low 11.43. Theta figure on Tuesday, November 7. Cost 12.40 rands, high 13.27, low 11.53. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 11.59 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.64, while low cost 10.98. The found the middle value of cost 11.76. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.81, change for February 1.9%. Theta gauge for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at 11.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.84, while low cost 11.16. The found the middle value of cost 11.95. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.00, change for spring 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 12.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.00, while low cost 10.16. The found the middle value of cost 11.27. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.93, change for April 8.9%. Theta gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at 10.93 rands. Excessive cost 11.40, while low cost 9.90. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.72. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.65, change for May 2.6%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 10.65 rands. Excessive cost 10.65, while low cost 8.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.94. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 9.56, change for June 10.2%. Theta figure for July 2024. Initially cost at 9.56 rands. Excessive cost 11.79, while low cost 9.56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.48. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.02, change for July 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at 11.02 rands. Excessive cost 13.67, while low cost 11.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.12. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.78, change for August 16.0%. Theta conjecture for September 2024. At the outset cost at 12.78 rands. Excessive cost 13.89, while low cost 12.07. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.93. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.98, change for September 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 12.98 rands. Excessive cost 14.11, while low cost 12.27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.14. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.19, change for October 1.6%. Theta conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 13.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.46, while low cost 13.19. The found the middle value of cost 14.07. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.45, change for November 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at 14.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.23, while low cost 13.23. The found the middle value of cost 14.29. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.23, change for December 1.5%. Theta gauge for January 2025. In the first place cost at 14.23 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.23, while low cost 11.80. The found the middle value of cost 13.24. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.69, change for January 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2025.